Understanding Source Code Review, a guide for beginners. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting topic that's crucial in the world of software development: source code review. Whether you're a budding programmer or just curious about how software quality is maintained, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery of source code review together, ensuring that every step is clear and understandable. Source code review is the process of examining the source code of a program, which is essentially the blueprint written by developers to create software applications. The key aim here is to find and fix mistakes overlooked during the initial development phase, improving both the overall quality of software and the developer's skills. Think of it as proofreading an essay or article before publication, but in this case, for code. This practice is vital for several reasons. Firstly, it enhances security by identifying vulnerabilities that could be exploited by hackers. Secondly, it ensures code quality, making sure that the code is clean, efficient, and follows best practices. Lastly, it fosters team collaboration and knowledge sharing, as developers get to learn from each other's work and feedback. Source code review can be done in various ways, including manually or using automated tools. In a manual review, developers read through code line by line to spot issues. This method promotes deep understanding but can be time-consuming. Automated tools, on the other hand, can scan large volumes of code quickly, identifying common issues with less effort. However, they might miss more nuanced problems that require a human eye. Best practices involve a combination of both methods for optimal results. 1. Keep it constructive. Feedback should aim to improve the code and the coder's skills, not to criticize the person. 2. Focus on the big picture. Prioritize identifying significant issues that affect code functionality or security. 3. Communicate clearly. Comments and suggestions should be clear, specific, and actionable. 4. Embrace automation. Use tools to handle routine checks, allowing human reviewers to focus on complex issues. 5. Learn continuously. Treat reviews as learning opportunities to continuously improve coding practices. We hope this exploration into source code review has illuminated its importance and how it's conducted. Remember, the goal of source code review is not just to produce error-free software but also to build a culture of collaboration, learning, and continuous improvement among developers. Thank you for joining us, and may your coding journey be both productive and enlightening.